Our collaboration focuses on supplying the GLOW region with the resources that will facilitate the ongoing development of our future health care workforce. We are very excited to provide another hands-on experience for students across the GLOW region. Once again, we will have over 550 students from 28 school districts who will be participating in interactive and informal activities with careers associated with nursing, mental health, social services, first aid, and many others. Building on the momentum from Glow With Your Hands manufacturing for the past 4 years, students will get to learn about career opportunities in their own backyards in the healthcare sector. We are grateful to have so many organizations and individuals from across the GLOW region collaborating on this workforce development initiative. This includes sponsors like ESL Federal Credit Union, Livingston County Chamber of Commerce Education to Employment, Wyoming County Community Health Services Skilled Nursing Facility, Rochester Regional Health, M&T Bank, UR Medicine Noise Health, Workforce Development Institute, Lifetime Assistance, Blossom Modern Home Care Solutions, BATAVIA Downs, Episcopal Senior Life Communities, VNA of Western New York, and the Iroquois Job Corps. It's rewarding to work with students and helping them develop their skills and in matching them with companies for potential employment opportunities. One of the partners in this effort is my fellow co-chair, Angela Grouse. Angela is the Education to Employment Director at the Livingston County Area Chamber. Angela recognized the incredible opportunity we have to introduce our students to the healthcare field. This inaugural event would not have been possible without her forward thinking and determination. Please welcome Angela Grouse.
Thank you, Karyn. As you mentioned, a tremendous team of volunteers and sponsors work diligently on these initiatives for our students, and it's great to see it all come together. It is incredibly rewarding to help students discover a career path that aligns with their skills and abilities. Glow With Your Hands Healthcare is another avenue for students to find their own fit. We are all aware of the staffing challenges which have created stress for healthcare providers and impacted patient services, especially in rural areas such as the GLOW region. Our goal is to showcase local healthcare organizations and businesses to our students as they begin to plan their careers and become part of the workforce solution. The concept for Glow With Your Hands Healthcare was inspired by the success of the annual September Manufacturing, Skilled Trades, Agriculture, and Food Production event, which is held each year at the Genesee County Fairgrounds. It has also been spurred by educator and student demand, as well as the need for qualified professionals in the healthcare sector. With so many opportunities and the strong labor demand, it was a logical next step. Trackable increases in BOCES registration and workforce development programs, as well as consistently high attendance on the part of vendors and schools, speak to the success of the Glow With Your Hands mission. The ability to provide similar successes relative to the healthcare industry drives our excitement over the launch of Glow With Your Hands Healthcare on March 24th. Another innovator passionate about students and helping bring this event to fruition is Justin Dupengeiser, Executive Director of the Wyoming County Business Council. Please welcome Justin.
Thank you, Angela. On behalf of the Wyoming County Business Education Council, we are honored to be here today. Our organization prides itself on the development of our area's youth, and putting them first is imperative to our future. We are always trying to find new strategies and services that prepare our students to enter the workforce upon graduation. The GLOW region is special because we have so many organizations working together that passionately want to find job and career opportunities for our youth and to keep them here. When companies are interested in moving to the GLOW region, the number one question we are asked is about the quality of our workforce. Companies, more than ever, need of people available, ready, and most importantly, prepared to work and understand what the job entails. March 24th will provide GLOW region healthcare entities an opportunity to interact with students as they begin their search for a career path. Developing a strong connection between young people, our local businesses, educators, and the world of work is important to the future economic success of our local communities. We know the impact Glow With Your Hands manufacturing is having on our community, and our event on March 24th will have the same impact as we go about creating a pipeline for the healthcare sector. It is now my pleasure to introduce Maureen Welch, Director of Respiratory Care at Genesee Community College.
Thank you, Justin. Good afternoon. My name is Maureen Welch, and like Justin said, I am the Director of the Respiratory Care Program here at GCC. We are honored to be the host of this inaugural GLOW event with your hands healthcare exploration on Friday, the 24th of March. It means a lot to our GCC community to be involved. Not only will the students interact with local healthcare organizations to learn about all the different careers, but this also gives GCC a chance to expose GLOW region students to affordable options available at our college that can lead to meaningful, high-paying careers. GCC offers a number of programs in the healthcare field, including personal training, nursing, physical therapy assistant, vet tech, health and biological sciences, and respiratory care. This is a great opportunity to highlight our programs and showcase what we have to offer students seeking careers in healthcare. At GCC, students who graduate from our healthcare programs, such as respiratory care, we have 100% job placement, and many of our graduates end up giving back and working in the community that they learned in, which is very gratifying for our faculty and staff here at GCC. An organization that heavily invested in our region and continues to advocate for the healthcare sector is United Memorial Medical Center, part of Rochester Regional Health, and I am pleased to introduce and welcome UMMC President Dan Ireland.
Thank you, Maureen, and good afternoon. I'm very pleased to be here today, and what an exciting kickoff to an event that will have, I think, a remarkable impact on our community. Rochester Regional Health and United Memorial Medical Center feel very strongly about creating new access in healthcare throughout our community. And with that access will come the need for more resources, more human resources, and healthcare professionals at all parts of the organization. And an event like we're having here will help give students the opportunity to explore those different roles that they can play in healthcare. As I reflect back on how many of us in the healthcare field started, many times it was being exposed to somebody who actually was doing the job, who could describe what the work was like and share their inspiration and passion. And that is what I believe this event is going to do. It's going to connect the people who do the work every day to the future of our healthcare providers, whether they're working in the support services roles, the professional roles, or even going into the practice of medicine. The students that will experience our event coming up on March 24th are just really going to get a chance to ask their questions, explore more, and be able to grow in their thoughts of what they're going to do as they enter into the working career. At Rochester Regional Health and United Memorial, throughout the GLOW region, our partners at the other hospitals, we're all working to continue to transform healthcare. And this is a pivotal time in that transformation. New access and new ways of care are upon us. And as we develop that workforce, it's going to be fantastic to see what programs like this, the GLOW with Your Hands Healthcare, will do to help spark interest for those in our school community and in communities around us. Thank you very much for all the support, for our partnership and everything we've done. I'm so looking forward to being back here on March 24th. Thank you.
Thank you, Maureen, and thank you, Dan. And certainly, thank you to GCC, United Memorial Medical Center, and Rochester Regional Health for their advocacy on behalf of students and healthcare providers in our region. Also, thank you to all of our sponsors for making this event possible. March 24th is going to be another amazing GLOW with Your Hands milestone, with hundreds of students and community stakeholders coming together to start the process of building a pipeline for the future healthcare workforce. Equally important is making youth aware of the broad spectrum of career opportunities available for them right here in the GLOW region.